Okay, welcome back to Chris's Nerf channel. It's been a while since I had an update on this. There's hopefully lots more videos to come, but we'll see about that. I have here my Lipo Infinus. Those of you that saw the previous videos may have seen I was planning on modding this to take a single Lipo battery rather than the 4D cells, which make it incredibly heavy. I managed it. We have in here one single Lipo battery. It's a 2S at the moment. Probably better off as a 3, but it's a different day. So it's currently got Valkyrie motors, bulldog flywheels, stock cage, stock pusher motor, stock electronics, but loaded magazine, and oh hang on, I've got to work out what I can shoot at now. Sorry for the noise. Okay, so it fires full auto. Lovely, yeah, you'd expect that. I don't know if people are thinking is, okay, so, you know, did you manage to preserve the loader? Well, yes I did. Did I manage to preserve the pusher interrupt while loading? Because if you've ever had an impetus, you'll know that you can, while holding down the full auto fire, you can actually load on the fly, and it will interrupt the pusher, load the dart, refire. So hopefully I've got enough darts in there to do this, but watch. And yeah, it realises it's out of darts and won't fire. So there we go. I will hopefully have a video on, not necessarily, well, yeah, on the build, or at least on what's required. But essentially, I've got Lipo connected to a MOSFET to run the flywheels. It's also connected to a voltage regulator set at just under 6 volts to run the electronics, which includes the pusher motor and the loader, and that also feeds the power off the original flywheel motor, flywheel power leads to the switch to the MOSFET to trigger the flywheel. So I've got a stock flywheel switch in there. Anyway, that's what I've got, that's what I've done. There may be a video later. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, apparently if you like, subscribe and comment. That's good too. Thank you. Bye bye.